Alright guys, let me just show you the results of the app right now. So we got this default time filter, and if you simulate that on your iPhone, you got something like this, okay? And of course you can just back and you can get like a filter things. So if you filter this, you will go to this stage, and I changed this a little bit right now by adding the different occasion, like the attention alloy. And by the way, the attention, I spelled it wrong last time, so I changed that as well. So basically, you can have a multiple like collagen crystal, and some of the crystal will be like crystallized, some of it will be like just you know like just forming that specific thing. Okay, so if it's like attention level unknown, it will just be unknown. If it requires you to pay a little bit attention, you need to pay a little bit attention. If it's like very less attention, just have a look. Just take a look. You require full attention, little or no attention, unimportant, something like that. And of course, you can like delete all, and you can generate all that. You just randomly generate, as you can see, just randomly generate a lot of things, and you guys can see there's different collagen crystal that requires your attention. Okay, so if you're like for example, the Spectrum Zero is about programming. Yeah, click here, and several things. For example, Lore, say Godot, something like that. Game development. I recently preparing a total transition from the original Unity engine to Godot, like an open source engine and open source software. I try to migrate every work and doing to open source, because I feel that if you rely on specific company, and it will be a very unreliable business model. Okay, so yeah, that's just my choice. If you all want to stick to a certain engine, that's your choice as well. So you can see that we got a specific thing. I think maybe using this, you can of course run that on Mac. Okay, my Mac, and you can see something like this. Okay, so you can just just delete all right now, and you can add, and let me just choose one that have a lot of things inside. Okay, so we got a crystal, collagen crystal 0, spectrum 1, and spectrum placeholder. Maybe add some color here, and it will be a date that when you create it, and it will be whether it's crystallized or not. Okay, if it's crystallized, that means that this thing's already finished. Okay, you just need to pick this crystal up, like you harness the power of your mind. And we got a lot of attention level, very less attention, just to have a look. Okay, most attention needed, and you got something like the most attention, very less attention, most attention, very less, or do I have a full attention needed? Okay, yeah, full attention required or no attention needed. It's just like a random generator, so I have to find it. Yeah, little or no attention, unimportant. Yeah, and yeah, maybe I can add more like a different color so I can represent the spectrum, so I can quickly filter things. Okay, right now just one icon for the spectrum. Okay, let's go back to the code. By the way, it's not a tutorial, it's just a quick sharing of projects, and doing. So if you want to download the code, you can join the Patreon, right? And I will share the a latest source code, and you can use use this commercially, something like that. And so right now, what I'm going to do is to okay, I think first is like a contents view. I initialize data controller, and got this all collagen crystals, and got a spectrum, and I sorted that. and then I added like delete. Yeah, I think I already got that previously. A filter, yeah, nothing new here. The app, yeah, nothing special. Conquest role, I think that's maybe this place I should like yeah, explain a little bit. Okay, I write a helper function choose icon based on tension level. So basically just like a different case scenario, and you can do switch between different string, and this string will be the fs symbol. I found it here, so I can just at the different like 1 2 3 4 5, I can just choose that specific thing and show that symbol. And of course you can get like a fallback icon, so it will be like right now it's unknown whether it requires your full attention or not. And then it will be a description text, okay, and then I'll just show the text as well as the like the attention level here, right? And we got the sidebar, basically just like a fetch and apply all sort of filters, okay, and then you can just delete it. We got data controller, right, and yeah, just a bunch of real ugly code that apply to core data, and right now the detail is still not like implemented, right? The detail view is not implemented, so just like the two filter. One is the like the time filter, the other is spectrum filter, and right now it's just like the crystal showing pages, so you can choose, but right now it does not have a specific detail. I think maybe add some of the bottom here, so when you click it you can add the crystal, like cognate crystal, and when you say crystallize it, you like check it like to do list, okay. So yeah, that's a quick overview, and yeah, this is just the two core data helper function that can like gracefully dealing with the like non-problem, and this is like dealing with the sorting, okay. So basically if you got like two things that are exactly the same, and then you're going to look at the like if it's exactly the same, then you'll be the like a string, okay. You compare the ID string, okay. Else you'll get the like a name sort. Nothing too fancy, just like a normal stuff. But the code here is a little bit like a really dirty and ungraceful, because we have to dealing with core data, right? And yeah, this bunch of code is for like sync with the cloud, and basically if you simultaneously update the information, you're going to take priority of the memory, right? So what is you are already update on your phone, that will be the data that will override the cloud data or any other data, okay. Yeah, and yeah, that's all.